Today, we are going to see one more variation of the program where I'm going to display how to do a face detection. Last time, we just talked about how to read an image and get the pixel information of image. We established the context of the pixel. This time, what we are going to do is that we're going to print the image and also get the face detection. But let me go through one by one with commands before we start doing this. The first command gets me the path where the image is there. Second command reads the image from the path. The third command is calling a cascade classifier, which has a pre-built data sets, which is the one. And this is, pre-built data sets are already trained to recognize the faces. Now here, this is the place where AI jumps into picture. We're going to talk a lot later about the cascade classifier, but what exactly we are doing? We are fixing our cascade classifier to recognize the frontal face. This is easily available for you on GitHub. I will give the link to this in my video below. Then we're going to set the gray color scale as I told, this command where we set up the frame, we set up the RGB system, or we can set up the HSI system. We are setting this to RGB gray now. That means 2 gray is going to give us the frame in 2-dimensional. Then we are going to use the gray system, detect the multi-scale, and then we are going to build a square around the face what we detected. So this is the face we detected. We're going to build the square around that. So that's the so now after that we detected the face and we gave the parameters here. We constructed a square. And after we constructed a square, we are going to plot this graph, the histogram graph. Histogram, why and how it is needed, I'm going to discuss as I progress, maybe not in this episode, but let's run this program now. The first thing to remember here is that face detection is using AI algorithms, and we are already using a trained data set. But I am going to have a separate episode and discuss how to train your own objects using a cascade classifier so that you will be able to recognize the objects which you are interested in. So now I've explained the remaining commands here. We are trying to plot a histogram using NumPy, and we have normalized that, and this is the normal curve which you get. This is your histogram. So let's run this and what's going on. There is an error. It says that color.cp1tt error 25 session failed. It says can't open the read file. Amitabh Bachchan dot JPG. Let's see this. It's JPG, it's not JPEG. Okay, let's correct this. Then run this now. There you go. So I'm able to detect the face of this program. You do have another thing. Why this is getting confused? Let's discuss that in our next episode. But this episode for now, we are just going to make sure that we are able to use an AI algorithm to detect face. That's for now. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up.